In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to kick a bot from your Discord server. Open your Discord server and navigate to the channel where you'll work. The bot you want to remove should be visible in the member list on the right side of your screen. Right-click on the bot's name in the member list on the right side of your screen to open its context menu. A menu appears with several options including message and moderation actions. Click Kick Bump Reminder from the menu options. A kick bump reminder from Server Modal opens with a confirmation prompt and an optional reason field. Adding a reason helps you keep track of why bots were removed if you review audit logs later. Click into the Reason for Kick field and type your reason. For this example, I'm typing no longer needed. Click the Kick button in the modal to confirm and remove the bot from your server. The modal closes and the bot disappears from your member list immediately. If you need to add the bot back later, you'll need to use its original invite link again. Kicking doesn't ban it, so it can rejoin. The reason you type is logged in your server's audit log, which is useful if you have multiple admins who need to know why a bot was removed. You can find your audit log under Server Settings if you need to review past actions. And that's how to kick a bot from your Discord server. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.